What's up guys, Fresco BK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Once again, Yeezy. He's back here at Stadium Goods. Collaboration with Adidas, we bring you the Yeezy 700 Mauve. It's the new addition to the 700 collection that we were introduced to, I want to say earlier this year. We've got them right here at Stadium, so let's just get straight into these shoes. So we have the box top here. Let's get right to these. To my immediate left, we have the first edition of the Wave Runner in the Yeezy 700. You guys see right there, which is also available at Stadium Goods, but I bring to you the Mauve 700 Wave Runner, brought to you by Yeezy and Adidas. So, a variety of different earth tones throughout this upper, which I believe this is the Mauve colorway that runs throughout. So we have a darker shade of brown in the midsole area, and a suede overlay just above the midsole, which is also the same shade as the midsole. But as we get to the toe area here, it's a lighter brown. We've got the canvas mesh underlay right in there. And just as we get to the lace area, you'll see the 3M hit right there at the bottom. Tonal gray laces throughout, so it's like also has a darker gray as we get throughout the rest of the upper, with a variety of different materials. So it has a leather overlay in the lace area, which you'll see right there. Another 3M hit in the middle of the lace area. Let's get to the outer panel. Features the mesh right there, and we have the 3M hits with the gray suede overlay towards the back panel. Once again, the midsole features the neon hits right there, which you'll see. Turn to this back panel, suede hits again, mesh with a larger perforation in the holes as opposed to the other mesh on the shoes. Inner panel mirrors the outer panel. Mesh, 3M, and on the underlay of this mesh is 3 stripes, and they're also in 3M. Outsole, which is one of my favorite parts of the shoe. We have a gum outsole here. So the gum against the brown or the mauve is actually pretty cool. Full boost on this one. So as you guys know, the Yeezy 700s feature boost along with the 350s, but the 500s are not boost. So I'll give you one last look at the 700 Yeezy Mauve, brought to you by Adidas and of course the man Yeezy. And these are available and ready to ship via the link in the description below. I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. I'm not sure, but these do look really good on, but we have both available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Please download the new Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Make sure you like and share all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. If you have any questions regarding Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com, and last but not least, make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.